Moss pole helps to get bigger and healthy leaves in pothos, philodendrons, monsteras and other arid plants. So in this video, I will be sharing a DIY moss pole that would be cheap but effective enough to make the leaves bigger and also will look like the moss pole that we get from the markets. We need a thick stick or bamboo stick or around 2 or 3 mm PVC pipe. I have taken a thick stick and an aluminum pipe which is around 2 mm. Then you need rope. I have taken jute rope which will not be noticeable in the pole. Then you need jute cloth or jute bag as I have taken. These are very common and easily available. Also, it's porous enough to disperse water. Then we are going to use coco peat instead of sphagnum moss, which is supposed to be the main ingredient of this moss pole, but the sphagnum moss is quite expensive and requires some management to become a renewable resource, whereas coco peat is a sustainable and renewable product that can retain a good amount of moisture, decompose very slowly, and is cheap also. And then we need a needle with thread. I'm going to make 2 coco poles and also will show their installation and proper uses. First, I cut the jute bag in a square shape and kept the length as much as I want to. Now set the pipe near one of the pointy portions of the cloth as I'm doing. I have left this much portion which will go inside the potting soil. Then folding this corner portion and securing it by a thread with the help of a needle. Now, let me mark the portion where I will be spreading the coco peat. And now spreading coco peat. Make sure the coco peat has 5 to 10% moisture, so you can add more coco peat and the pole will stay compact from inside. So I have made around a centimeter thick layer of coco peat and then gently rolling the cloth with the pipe . And finally, securing the end portions. Now it's ready to use. Let me prepare another pole using this stick. Moss poles provide support to the vining and semi-vining aroid plants. Now, whenever you are watering or providing liquid fertilizer to the plant, also spray on the pole and make sure the aerial roots have contact with the pole, so the roots will be able to absorb the moisture properly. And that's it. This pole definitely will help to increase the size of the leaves as the plant grows. Hope you learned something new from this video. If you are interested in plants and gardening, then feel free to subscribe with the bell. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Take care.